ProfessorZ, and I'm here with my mobile idea, Perky Pets. So who here owns a pet? Yes, I see a lot of hands. You are one of the 87 million people in the United States who have a pet. When your pet just doesn't seem like their perky self, answers on Google, it becomes a really big problem due to the question of resources and overwhelming amounts of medical information. A nervous pet owner might have to resort to taking their animals to the emergency walking rooms, which can cost them from anywhere from $400 to thousands. The Perky Pet chatbot is going to be an AI system which you'll be able to ask any questions regarding your pet. So for example, if your dog ate chocolate, you can ask, my dog ate chocolate, what should I do? The chat will able to generate some pre-remedies, and it will able to offer you some resolutions with that. And also it will offer you a televet health session. These televets will be able to refer the clients to a specialist or even to an emergency room if necessary.